Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. We are in this conditioned state of life because we are separated from our original person, Krishna, because we are part and parcel of Krishna. We have forgotten this. We are thinking we are part and parcel of America or India. This is called illusion. They are interested. Somebody is interested in his country, somebody is interested in his society or family. There we have created so many things, duty. Therefore, Shastra says that these rascals do not know what is his actual self-interest. Nate vidu sarthagatin hi Vishnu durasaya. He is hoping something which will never be fulfilled. That's what is rascal. We are trying to adjust things within this material world to become happy, but the rascal does not know that so long he will remain in this material world, there is no question of happiness. That is rascal. Krishna says that this place is dukkhalam asasatam. This material world where we are now living under different change of body one after another, it is dukkhalam. Why I have to change my body? Why not? I am permanent. Na annate hannamane sarire. Therefore we have to learn. We have to be educated. We have to receive knowledge from the perfect. And Krishna personally, the supreme, perfect person is giving you knowledge. And if you are so unfortunate that we do not take the perfect knowledge, we concoct, we speculate, we create our own ideas, then it is to be understood that durasaya. We are thinking I shall be happy in this way, I shall be happy in this way. Nothing. You shall never be happy. This is perfect instruction. Unless you go back to home, back to God. Just like a mad boy, he has forsaken his father. His father is rich man, everything is there, but he has become hippie. So, similarly, we are also like that. Our father is Krishna. We can live there very comfortably, without any botheration, without endeavor for earning money. But we have decided that we shall live here in this material world. This is called ass. This is therefore mudha. We do not know what is our self-interest. And we are hoping against hope. I shall be happy in this way, I shall be happy in this way. Therefore, this word is used, mudha. They do not know what is actually his happiness and is trying one chapter another, now I will be happy. The ass, sometimes the washerman sits on his back and takes a bunch of grass and puts in front of the ass, and the ass wants to take the grass, but as he moving forward, the grass is also moving forward. And he thinks just one step forward I shall get the grass. But because he is ass, he does not know that the grass is situated in such a way that I may go on for millions of years, still I will not get there. This is ass. He does not come to his senses that for millions and trillions of years I may try to be happy in this material world, I will never be happy. Therefore, you have to take the knowledge from the Guru who knows things. Therefore, Guru is worshipped. Ajnana timirandhasya jnananjana salakaya. Chakshu unmilitam jena tasmai Sri Gurave.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,